Hi everybody, this is Daryl the Autocool guy, and today we're going to take a look at the EMI problem, the interference caused by the high frequency pulses coming out of our controllers. We see this with both the HF, the high frequency controller at 7 kilohertz, also the low frequency controllers that run at 300 hertz. So what you want to do is you want to put a copper braid like this over the wire that goes from the fan terminal here to the fan return, like I say, and then your ground from here to ground. You don't need to cover that with a braid from here to ground with a thick solid wire. This EMI problem can get into fuel injection systems, can get into audio systems, can get into even, we've seen Ford alternators go shut down because of the EMI. So with this copper braid, you should eliminate that problem. This copper braid is usually made by Belden or other manufacturers. We got a lot from eBay, and you should be able to find it on eBay or your local source like Mauser.com. And sometimes this EMI situation may get into the ignition terminal on pin 2 to ground, pin 2. So what we've done internally on these connectors, internal, is put a disceramic capacitor from pin 2 to pin 3 to block this EMI pulse. What it was doing, it was holding a charge on the capacitor internal, but even though you saw 0 volts on pin 2, it's still keeping the controller on. But we've fixed that problem. So there you have it. Real simple copper braid. If you cannot find any, give me a call. We got some. We got 2 spools of it. If you can't find any on eBay, give us a call. Like to hear from you guys. Call me 7 days a week, no problem. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.